Good morning, students. I am your zoology teacher. Okay, already many of them you know that we have completed 2 lessons, but a few students they have joined later. Okay, for them we need to teach. So again, we are going to recall a few points in lesson 1 today. Okay, so zoology. It is basic for the NEET students. So do you want to study each and every line? Okay, here they will give some of the concept. Okay, you should know the knowledge about the concept. Then they will ask the question related to the concept. Maybe the question will ask directly to the concept or indirectly to the concept or related to the concept, like that questions will ask. Okay, so zoology, it is not tough. You will study in interestingly. It is so easy to study because we are going to study about us. Then around number of animals are present around in our environment, that we are going to study. So mostly we are going to discuss about in our organ and system, in our body. Okay, how the organ and systems are working, everything we are going to study. So it is so interesting. Then you will make a interest. It is so interesting. When we are going to discuss about number of organ and system, it is amazing. We will feel it is amazing how it is occur. Like that we will feel. Okay, so you make an interest to study in zoology. Okay, it is so easy to study. Whenever you studying in interestingly, automatically related to the concept, they have asked any question, you will possible to write the answer. Okay, so make an interest. Then zoology and biozoology, it is not a lot of differences. Okay, in a pure science students, pure zoology, do you have only one extra lesson alone. Okay, then in the first 3 lesson is the same for all the biozoology and zoology students. Okay, then in lesson 4 and 5 little extra, little 1 or 2 pages alone it is extra. Do you have a difference between biozoology and then inner zoology? Okay, then only 1 lesson alone it is extra for zoology students. Okay, can you understand all of you? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the chapter 1. In this biozoology, do you have total 12 chapters. Okay, this 12 chapters we need to complete within November. Okay, after December onwards, do you have full portion? Okay, in between also we are going to conduct number of class tests and then unit test, volume test, everything. So we need to complete the portion before November 15 or within November 15 I need to complete the portion. So total do you have 12 lessons. Lesson 1, the living world. So how is the animals are present? Okay, what are the organisms are present? How the scientists they have get the knowledge about the animals, that we are going to discuss. Then kingdom Animalia. In this kingdom Animalia, how many multicellular animals are present, how it is formed in that organ and systems. Okay, that then how they have classified, scientists they have classified, what are the unique characteristics of multicellular animals, that we are going to discuss in the lesson 2. Then lesson 3, tissue level of organization. What are the different types of tissues are present? In number of lower organisms, cells they can produce the tissues. Okay, the tissues they cannot form an organ and organ and system. So different types of tissues are present in higher animals. Similar and different tissues join together to produce the organs. Different organs join together to produce the organ and systems in higher organisms. So that we are going to discuss what are the different types of tissues are present in our body and then in other animals body. Then in lesson 4 we are going to discuss about organ system in animals. What are the different organs, then how the organ and systems, okay, it is functioning for particular process. For example, different organs join together to form a digestive system. Okay, digestive system is the organ system. What is the main functions of the digestive system? To digest the food material. So like that, what are the different organs and organ systems are present in animals? Okay, that we are going to discuss about in the lesson 4. Then lesson 5, digestion, how the digestion it is occur in the human body. Then digested food, how it is absorbed, how it is converted into the nutrients, because nutrition it is essential for our body. Through the nutrition only in our body cells getting energy. We want to do the work, we need energy. Okay, that we are going to discuss. The next one is the respiration. So how the gaseous exchange it is occur in our body. Then digestion, they can digest a food material. That's all. Then respiration, it is helpful to exchange the gases. When the digested food is oxidized, then only they can release the energy. That we are going to discuss. The next one, the 7th chapter, body fluids and circulation. That digested food, it is circulated through the circulatory system to each and every organ systems and cells to our body. Then they can go and reach into the cell, it is converted into the energy. That we are going to discuss in the lesson 7. Then lesson 8, excretion. Okay, how the undigested waste and then in a nitrogenous number of biochemical reactions occur in our body. That time they can release the nitrogenous waste. That nitrogenous waste they can excrete through the excretory system. Okay, what are the different types of excretion? Excretory organs are present in different animals. Okay, what is the main function? That fully we are going to discuss about in the excretion. Then in this 3rd unit, these 4 lessons also, then we are going to study about the related diseases. The organ system, it is in a coordinated manner. They cannot work in a coordinated manner. Number of diseases will affect. Okay, that diseases also we are going to discuss about. Then unit 4 lesson 9, locomotion and movement. So how the animals they can move from one place to another. What are the locomotory organ? What are the different types of locomotion, methods of locomotion? That fully we are going to discuss about in the chapter 9. Then chapter 10, coordinated system. So mainly all the organ system it is coordinated together. Okay, it is a coordinated together. With the help of this coordinated system, all the organ system they can do the functions in a proper. Okay, for example, digestive system digests the food material, respiratory system exchange the gases, excretory system removal the waste. Okay, this everything is unrelated. Okay, with the help of the nerves, neural coordinative system we are going to discuss about in the chapter 10. In the chapter 11, chemical coordination. So chemical coordination, number of hormones and enzymes they can secrete in our body to do the coordination. It is involving, they can stimulate the other organ system to do the functions proper. That we are going to discuss about in the chemical coordination. The next one is the chapter 12, trends in economic zoology. Okay, then how the animals they can with animal sources it is useful to the human being. Economically, how the animals they can useful to the human beings for our benefits to get the economy. What are the different animals are present? How we need to farm that animals? What are the product we are getting from that animal sources? Everything we are going to discuss about in the chapter 12. Okay, so total 12 chapters are there. Within that November 15 we need to complete, because we don't know when the schools are reopened. When the schools are reopened, immediately they will say they will conduct. They didn't reduce the syllabus. Okay, they didn't reduce the syllabus. Immediately they will conduct maybe as usual March or April. Do you have exams, public exams? Okay, 11th standard exam do you want to write? So before that we need to complete the portions. So everybody's, do you need to coordinate me? What are the homework I am giving? Do you need to study and write all the homeworks? Okay, then when are you using the mobile phones, you should not divert your mind. It is do you need to use only for the studying purpose? Okay, do you want to study? Okay, you do need to study and send the homework through the WhatsApp. Okay, then in a soon they are going to, in our school they are going to do one new app, school buddy app. Directly through online also we will contact. In a conference calls the teachers will contact all the subject teachers one by one day they will contact you. Okay, so many plan has taken in our management. So it is do you need to cooperate with the management and the teachers? What is your work mainly? Do you want to study? You can't understand immediately, you must ask to the teachers. You should not wait. Okay, don't have any thing we will ask a doubt, miss will scold. We will not scold. Okay, so we are ready to clarify your doubts in any time. Can you understand, students? So you must ask your doubts. Okay, then daily homework you want to complete, you will complete your homework daily. You will not feel very burden. Okay, without studying, at last you will start to study when school reopen. I will study like that. You will think na, you will feel very burden. You can't revise. You cannot get the good marks. Okay, our expectation, do you want to get good marks? Okay, so you must study and write the homeworks daily. Through my WhatsApp number, you will send your homework. Already we have a group now, separately boys and girls. Okay, to that group you will send your homework daily, regularly. Alternative days we have a class. Okay, alternatively we have a class. Then it's the same portions only for biozoology and zoology. Pure science students, do you have extra time? Okay, along with the maths, alternative days do you have a zoology? Okay, then the same alternative days do you have a biozoology? So that biozoology I will send the homeworks. Okay, I will teach you. So that time you must listen. Okay, okay, can you understood all of you? Next we will go and recall the lesson 1.